Until allowed DAO 2019, Obaseki don't stand on top in promise to Edo people, as he don't deliver over 156,994 jobs for 3 years. This ogbonge informate so now on top inside Edo today. On top of the many plans where Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki get to turn Edo State to economic state for the country, na im make am dey tanda ogbonge job opportunity and entrepreneurship develop matter, the one wey don bring 156,994 jobs for the state for the 3 years wey e don enter office. Dis informate so dey for the report wey Business Day Intelligence Unit Bureau wey dem present for the Alaudaro Youth Summit, wey be part of the activities wey dey ground to take celebrate the 3 years with Governor Godwin Obaseki wey be Edo State Governor. And na the publisher for Business Day newspaper, Frank Aigbogun, na im submit this report. Frank Aigbogun talk say Governor Obaseki promised to fit create over 200,000 jobs for Edo. No be mouth talk, as e be say e dey add well to see politicians wey dey do wetin dem promise. Dis report show say Governor Obaseki administration don create 46,576 job tracking, 3,434 through job matching and placement, 22,872 from skills development and entrepreneurship program, and he do all this one through Edo State Skills Development Agency, where we sabi as Edo Jobs.
We believe we have produced a very fair, candid, but most importantly, an independent assessment of the job creation initiative of the government. And as he has said himself, less than 3 years ago when he was inaugurated, he made the pledge to work towards the creation of 200,000 jobs. What we find is that surely he is well on his way to delivering on that mandate. Not often do you find politicians who deliver on their promises.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ogun. Thank you for this independent work that you have done.
Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki happy well on top of the report as he's showing administration plan to take create 200,000 jobs for Edo people for in first term for office. He talk say for in campaign when he be talk about this job creation matter, Edo people be no believe say cause say politicians no dey do wetin dem talk. But he happy say dem fit stand out almost 157,000 jobs. Obaseki talk say Edo Jobs dey ground to fit support youth dem for the state until wetin dem wan do for life, as opportunities go dey ground for sports on top the revamp wey dey shele for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, as Edo State government get plan to build mini stadium than a 20 mini stadium for the 18 local government areas with the Edo State.
Because of the issue of unemployment, during my electioneering, I did what most politicians do not do. I said that I will create a minimum of 200,000 jobs during my first term in office. And people doubted it. Politicians will usually not give themselves such targets, just in case they don't meet it, because it will be an issue during their re-election. But I took that risk because I was committed to it. I believe that with what I see in Edo, with the opportunities I see in a lot of young people, if government creates environment, creates the enabling environment, gives them the support, then 200,000 jobs will be a piece of cake. Today, I am glad, I'm proud, I'm happy that at the last count, we have created 157,000 jobs in Edo.
Now about 27,732 beneficiaries under Edo Innovate 9 day, 1,376 dey for Edo Food and Agri Cluster, 161 for Edo Production Center, 10,000 beneficiaries for Ministry of Wealth Creation, 12,413 for National Social Investment Program, and 32,430 beneficiaries na im get job through other platform. And na all this one na im make the job creation 156,994.
The Skill Development Agency was able to create 45,000 jobs through job tracking, 3,500 jobs through job matching and placements, 23,000 jobs from the Edo Innovate, which is the ICT hub, 1,300 jobs from Edo Food and Agri Cluster, 16,000 jobs from Edo Production Center, 12,000 jobs from the National Social Investment Program, 10,000 from the Ministry of Wealth Creation, and 32,000 indirect jobs. The data is all there and you can verify them. A priority for administration is first, how do you empower individuals? How do you empower the citizens? Through education, making sure that they are healthy, making sure that they are catered for. So in Edo State, commencing next academic year, we're introducing 300 junior secondary schools that are standalone junior secondary schools. Because each JSS school must have a workshop and must have a science laboratory. So whether you want to be a tailor, a barber, a bricklayer, whatever it is, I think the fundamentals will be introduced to you in junior school. We see a lot of opportunities in sports. Jobs can be created and will be created from sports. That is why we are making massive investments in our sporting infrastructure. We're revamping the Samalogomedia Stadium. We're building 20-minute stadia across the state. We want you young people, apart from just taking sports as a way of life, to also see that there is huge opportunities in the sporting business globally.
Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu instead followed the youth for the Youth Summit talk for Allow Dao Summit 2019. As he tell them, say make them put body for the state they as Edo State don't get better governor than a Godwin Obaseki. We ready see say business matter turn that well for Edo State. And this one go help private sector fit create Ogbonge business environment.
I can assure you, we have a governor that changed the narratives, that changed how governments should work. All of us in this state have private sector ideas now, and we drive the process through private sector initiatives, and that's what I've been lacking for a long time. Like my always said, government have no business in business, but government have business in creating the enabling environment for business to start. And that is exactly what we are doing. You are the driver of the economy, and to the extent that you take advantage of the opportunities that are being created today. As you do so, we will be part of those that have developed the UN. God bless us all.
Commissioner for Youth Honorable Damian Lawani salutes Governor Godwin Obaseki for the plan and the mind when he get to take Deve Edo State well, make it for be where Edo people feel achieve their dreams. It talks say Governor Obaseki salutes the work where youth they do for Edo State to fit take do better contribute matter onto the state Deve. As the Yanam say Governor Godwin Obaseki.
The reason we are here today is because of the vision of our leader, who is the governor of the state. And what is that vision? Is to develop a modern and a progressive Edo State, where citizens will be empowered, where citizens will be open to opportunities to live their life in fullness, where handouts will no longer be a problem, where you are no longer given fish, but you are going to be taught on how to fish. youth empowerment, sporting activity, infrastructural development, all in the state, encompassing in the development of youth.
Managing Director, Slot Foundation, Engineer Inandi Ezigbo, talk on top creating sustainable employment opportunities. As he talks, entrepreneurship na im be the better way to fit take create state wey go dey produce better economic sectors. He come talk say business people for Edo make dem put better style for their business, the one wey go fit carry investors dem eye enter Edo state and make dem put ogbonge trust for the work wey dem dey do.
Society has to be entrepreneurial. There has to be an entrepreneurial culture. An entrepreneurial culture that will permit the entire society, the government, the institutions, and the people. A culture where transparency and accountability is the order of the day. A culture that promotes creativity and innovation. A culture that's concerned about how people live their lives and how they create wealth for others. That is an entrepreneurial culture. And I think if we have such culture like we have in those states, Nigeria will become a better place.
Oga Patapata for Edo Jobs Agency for Edo State, Ukinebo Dare, Konak Award give MDAs them, local government, and agencies them wey don support the work with the agency they do to fit see say job opportunity waka well for all the 18 local government areas within the state. And she present this award with Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu. Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top the Youth Summit wey shele for Alaudao 2019, ogbonge report don show say Governor Godwin Obaseki he don stand on top in promise to Edo people as he don create over 156,994 jobs for Edo people for the 3 years wey take the office. Make una come sabi say dis ogbonge and clear informate so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una on top inside Edo today. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.